Hi, my name is Jude Harper. We are here during an outdoor event, and what the homeowners have decided to do was to keep everybody safe. So there will be guests arriving. Fortunately, we're not 100% set up yet. The homeowner is going to join us. What we are doing is we are showing you how temperature monitoring systems can now be part of your event. We have some sponsors, and also what we have is the entries monitor. These are used in restaurants, hospitals, government buildings to identify a potential high temperature person. Pharmaceutical companies, building lobbies, card access systems, and there are just many ways that this product is becoming popular. Event halls, wedding planners, DJs are now renting this equipment from us. So what I'd like to do now is show you, we're going to walk over to how this system works. So the way that we set these systems up is we have a camera system, we have a device, a laptop, and a display. What it does, it references a source of heat. The source of heat allows us to give an FDA-approved reading. That FDA-approved reading is logged into the computer database. The computer database now stores that information with a timestamp, with an internal temperature and an external temperature. These systems are a way to build a safer community as we go forward. So what I'm going to do now is invite the homeowner over to show you and do a scan. Thank you for your time.